we will walk you through testing all brakes and conducting the brake ramp test. It is crucial to perform these tests before every shift to ensure the vehicle meets safety standards and can brake effectively during operation. First, we need to perform the door brake interlock. The door brake interlock prevents the vehicle from moving if any door is not securely closed. This feature enhances passenger safety by ensuring that all doors are properly shut before the vehicle can be driven, reducing the risk of passengers accidentally falling out. Please test the door brake interlock now. Accelerate the vehicle for 5 seconds. It is now time to test the emergency brake. The emergency brake serves as an auxiliary braking system that can be used in case of primary brake failure. Often, the emergency brake is the same mechanism as the parking brake but is intended for use in emergency situations to stop the vehicle when the main braking system fails. Please test the emergency brake now. It is now time to test the neutral brake. The neutral brake engages the brakes when the vehicle is in neutral gear, preventing unintended rolling. This safety feature is particularly useful for vehicles stopped on inclines, ensuring they do not move inadvertently when the transmission is not in a driving gear. Please test the neutral brake now. Accelerate the vehicle for 5 seconds. It is now time to test the foot brake. The foot brake is the primary braking system operated by the driver's foot via a pedal. It controls the hydraulic or electronic brakes on all wheels, allowing the driver to decelerate or stop the vehicle. This system is essential for regular driving and provides the main means of slowing down the vehicle. Please test the foot brake now. Accelerate and brake the vehicle simultaneously for 5 seconds. All brakes have been checked, and we are ready to perform the brake ramp test as well as ensure the functionality of the PDS system. Remember, the purpose of the brake ramp test is to ensure that your vehicle does not roll on an incline. Drive on the ramp to the designated location ahead. Start braking when you've reached it. Brake the vehicle for 5 seconds. Drive to the top of the ramp until the PDS brakes activate. Accelerate the vehicle until the PDS system turns off. Drive to the end of the ramp to finish the ramp test. Well done, all safety checks have been completed, all brakes are functioning as well as the PDS system. That concludes all safety checks and we can continue to the next course. Welcome to our underground mining simulation. Here, you'll master the practices and safety procedures crucial for navigating underground. In real mining environments, pillars are numbered to aid navigation and ensure safety. In this simulation, you'll notice numbered markers on the pillars, reflecting the system used in actual mines. These numbers help miners identify their location and plan their routes efficiently. Follow the green arrows for extra guidance, and remember to always hoot before turning corners to alert others of your presence. Safety is our top priority. Let's proceed and ensure you're equipped to navigate underground safely. You've arrived at the ventilation doors, a critical part of our mining ventilation system. This area ensures proper air circulation throughout the mine. Observe how the first set of doors must close before the second set opens. This sequence maintains air pressure and keeps the airflow consistent, crucial for a safe working environment. Please wait for each door to fully close before proceeding. This process ensures that fresh air is continuously supplied, protecting everyone underground. Let's continue. Wait for the bay doors to open. Proceed into the bay. Wait for the rear doors to close and the front doors to open before proceeding forward. Proceed outside the bay. Collect rubble and offload a full load at one of the designated offload tips. Well done, you successfully uploaded. Repeat this process another 3 times. Well done, you successfully